Who are you? My name is Diana. I'm a content creator and marketing professional.
I'm Luna Pinheiro, and I'm a health insurance consultant.
You can be a success at anything you put your mind to. Believing in self is the first step towards achieving all things you've ever conceived for yourself. The will to do the work it takes to mold and shape potential greatness, for resisting instant gratification, to embrace the path of focused patience, reveals our power to shape our fates, and shows us destiny's whatever we make it. In life, we can travel on many a course. There's more ways to make it than music and sports. This is a message and call to the youth, searching your heart to find your own truth. Happiness is the ultimate wealth, for fueling your drive to become your best self. Want a career earning up to 6 figures a year? Check out Nice HVAC and see how their training can give you the tools for success in the field of HVAC. Nice HVAC, providing alternative choices for the future.
What do you do? I'm currently working with marketing and HR for a local company. Do you know what HVAC is? I know it has to do with air conditioning and I guess heating too.
Yes, a little bit. It's heating, ventilation, air conditioning.
Would you rather live in the heat with no AC or live in the cold with no heat, and why? I think I prefer living in the cold with no heat because I can have a fireplace or very good jackets, but in the heat, I feel it's way harder to find ways to keep body temperature regulated, and it just makes everything feel slower, at least in my experience.
Definitely cold with no heat because I don't like sweating, and when it's cold, you can put some more layers in and get some covers, maybe a hot beverage, and that will help.
Do you know anyone who works in the HVAC trade? No, I don't know anyone personally who works in the trade. No.
No.
When was the last time an HVAC technician serviced your heating and air conditioning systems? In the house I was living in before, I remember the heating system stopped working properly during winter. That was like 2 years ago. And it was minus 20, so they had to find someone very fast to come and help with that.
And I have HVAC.
How much do you think an HVAC technician makes a year? I would guess similar to other technicians, so 40 to 60K per year.
20K, 25K annually, maybe.
How much money would it take for you to work HVAC for 1 year? If I could learn a new skill and earn 50K a year, I would try it out.
40K.
If you could make 3,000 a week, would you learn the HVAC trade? Yes, I definitely would.
Possibly.
Describe what you think a hardworking man is to someone who is blind. I would say someone who takes advantage of the time in the most efficient way and finishes one task and goes to the next without worrying about the level of difficulty.
A hardworking person is someone who uses their time dedicating their mental and physical strength to do something of themselves.
What would go through your mind if it were 95 degrees outside and 89 degrees inside? I would think the AC needs some maintenance if it can't go lower than the 89 degrees because that's still pretty warm.
I really need the air conditioning, a cool shower, something to drink.
Now that you know what HVAC is, would you recommend HVAC to a family, friend, or spouse?
Of course.
If this question is referring to working in the field, yes, for sure. It's definitely a trade that's very needed. And if it offers a good compensation too, it seems like a great opportunity. And as far as using HVAC services, like I said, it's something we all need. So unless your property manager is taking care of the maintenance, I think it's something you should be on top of.